My name's Hector Castillo. I'm currently a senior in college, and like a lot of you, I'm having to finish up my semester virtually with online classes and all that stuff. So it's been an interesting adjustment, to say the least. But I guess it's been nice that I've been able to come back home and see my family and hang out with my dogs. That's been great. At the same time, I was really looking forward to graduation. I'm sure any of you high school seniors were also looking forward to graduation. I'm right there with you. So, it's tough, but I guess we're making the most out of it, right? I'm missing my friends a lot too. They're all over the place, but we still text and Skype each other. So, we're making it work. But anyway, so I'm currently in college right now. I'm studying mechanical engineering. And so for those of you who don't know what mechanical engineering is, it's basically like designing and building almost anything really. Like cars, planes, electronics, like this mouse, for example, right? Like everything, all these things were designed and built by people, right? And so that's basically, what I'm studying right now is how to build and design, these things. And I'm particularly studying robotics right now. And so one of the things that really got me interested into engineering as something to study was actually doing like competitive robotics in middle school and high school. And so I remember when I was kind of one of the younger kids on the team, I would look up to, all the juniors and seniors, all the older kids, and they would be getting into like all these really good colleges, and they would go off and work at these cool places like Toyota, and some of them would even come back and mentor our team. So we get to learn from them as well. So that was a totally great experience. I'm going to share with you all a clip real quick of the robot that I built on my team, or that my team built when I was a senior. So here you can see it driving around the field. It picks up this dodgeball and shoots it super fast up into this goal that's about 8 feet off the ground. And so this robot, it's like 4 feet tall. It's 120, 130 pounds. And so, it's a big, mean machine, but it was super fun to build, and with all my friends. And it was also really great to compete with this robot because you're on this field that's like half the size of a basketball court. It's like 3 robots versus 3 robots. It's high intensity. You've got this whole like crowd around you that's cheering. It's definitely a great atmosphere for competition. But so yeah, and that I guess really excited me to pursue engineering as something that I want to do in the future. Now that I'm in college, so I'm currently studying engineering at MIT. For those of you who don't know what MIT is, that's the school that Iron Man supposedly went to. So it's a pretty cool place. It's up in Massachusetts. So yeah, and over the years, robotics has not only helped me get into school, it's also helped me find internships and jobs as well. For example, one summer I worked at the company that builds the Black Hawk helicopter. So I was able to actually climb into this helicopter. I was able to see how they're built, meet the people who build it, and my work, directly contributed to the project as well. So that was a really rewarding experience. So I'm sure y'all will hear more about this at school, but I want to encourage you guys to, look out for, careers and activities in STEM. And so STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. And so, those are all the things that you need really to kind of build and design anything. And, if you want to be like a scientist and, make discoveries, especially like right now with, the whole coronavirus thing, there's a bunch of scientists out there working on vaccines. They're working on trying to figure out how to contain everything, how to take care of people. I have, personal friends who are working on projects, to build like new ventilators. They're building masks for people. Basically all these people with like skills in engineering and science, they're kind of all coming together right now, and they're using their knowledge and their abilities to try to help and fight coronavirus right now. So that's something that's been super inspirational currently. But yeah, I hope that everyone's having a happy Dia de los Niños. I hope everyone's, doing well. Everyone's families are safe. And yeah, everybody have a great day. See y'all.